Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home You Know's Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be planning out the week of May 31st to June 6th using this stunning kit from Jaxandpepper called Boho Flowers. I bought this kit a while back and I've just been like waiting for the perfect time to use it because I was really excited to use this kit, especially in the summertime. I think that it's so much fun, so floral. It's in gold foil and I was just so excited. I did not pick up the deco sheet for this kit, which I'm like kicking myself about now, but I did find some florals that I think matched pretty perfectly in my leftover sticker book. So yeah, without any further ado, I'm gonna speed you guys up, lay down the base, and then get back to you with the day today. Okay, so starting off on Monday, I did want to mark that this was Memorial Day, and I pull in some of these oval circles from Bloom Paper Studio. I felt like the decorative floral edges match this kit really well. I don't know, I really liked the look of them, so I do pull those in several times throughout this week. The script is from Rose Colored Days, and then those florals are some that I found from my leftover sticker book. I believe they were from a Nikki Plus 3 freebie. Don't quote me on that though. Okay, so jumping down, I did want to mark that my husband and his band performed live on this day at a music festival, which was very exciting. We'd been promoting it for a good little while. So to mark that, I am pulling in one of the third boxes from the kit. Now, in the new format of Jaxandpepper, there are a lot more like filled in, busier boxes. So I ended up pulling in a bunch of my Sadie Stickers simple lined midi boxes that I just hauled, which I felt worked out pretty well. The microphone and that flourish are both from the Pretty Pink Co, and I just really like the way that whole section looks together. I also wanted to mark that on this day, my sister made a huge brisket dinner for the family, which was awesome. It was like in celebration of Memorial Day. So I do pull in a fancy wreath circle from Mini Riot Co. The house is from the GP Studio, and the mini deco pieces are from Honey Inked. I wanted to mark that I did some filming on this day, so I pull in a confetti circle from the kit. The little camera with the YouTube icon is from White Deer Stationery, and the film script is from Artbox Stickers, which is unfortunately closed. These are from a D-stash that I got from one of my good planner friends. And then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that me and my husband watched some Amazon Prime. So again, I pull in a label from the kit and I layer it with a foiled box. That's actually a foiled box from the Happy Planner. And the TV console icon is from Crafts by Towie. I do add some foiled floral deco to some of the full boxes in this kit just because I felt like they were just a little too white spacey. I also added some foiled deco from Honey Ink to the bottom washi as well, which I thought gave it a little bit more of a pop. Okay, so jumping over to Tuesday, I wanted to mark that me and my sister had our class that we teach together. So I pull in, that's actually a piece of the cut washi from the kit. I pull in some more florals from my leftover sticker book. The little mat is from Rose and Tea Shop. I pull in a lot of Rose and Tea Shop icons in this spread just because I felt like the pink colors really matched this kit. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I took a nap on this day, so I pull in another one of those fancy floral wreaths from Mini Riot Co. Some more deco from Honey Inked. The little bed icon is from Crafts by Towie. I wanted to mark that I got some kitty snuggles on this day, so I pull in a confetti scallop circle from Meg B Makes, and the little paw print is from Crafts by Towie. I put the Hello June script in the middle of that full box right there. Like I said, a bunch of these boxes were just a little empty for my taste, so I was able to add a bunch of stuff to them. The next thing I wanted to mark is that me and my husband booked our anniversary trip. So I pull in a paint swatch from Miss and Meow. The little bikini icon is from White Deer Stationery. I marked going to the gym the exact same way throughout the whole week with one of those foiled doilies from Crafts by Towie and the little kettlebell from Rose and Tea Shop. I pull in another flourish from the Pretty Pink Co. And to cap off the night, I did some editing. So I pull in another simple lined midi box from Sadie Stickers. The laptop is from Rose and Tea Shop, and the edit script is from Planning Roses. Okay, so jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark sleeping in. So I pull in another one of those floral ovals from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from my leftover sticker book. The sleep mask is from Miss and Meow. I wanted to mark that I uploaded my plan with me on this day, so I did the same thing where I pull in another label from the kit, and then I use another simple lined midi box from Sadie Stickers. I actually did a little bit of doctoring on this one. I cut it to where the label was actually, it made it look like a midi box in my opinion. So I just cut it down to where it was a little bit smaller. I pull in a planner from Planning World, and the upload script is from Planning Roses. I do pull in another of those flourishes from the Pretty Pink Co. I love those flourishes. I'm already running low out of my gold ones. I'm gonna have to go back and order like a whole sheet just because I love the shape of this flourish. I think it's so dainty and so pretty. I wanted to mark that I listened to my Office Ladies podcast on this day, so I pull in another confetti circle from the kit. The podcast icon is from Crafts by Towie. I love those podcast icons. I actually just got a new handful of those in. I just hauled them. I go through them and I use them every single week just because I'm obsessed with the Office Ladies podcast. If there are any other podcasts that you guys recommend, leave it in the comments below. I love listening to podcasts when I drive to Houston for my personal training sessions. Okay, to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I did have a personal training session, so I pull in a full box, or sorry, not a full box, a half box from the kit. The little mat, yoga mat, is from Rose and Tea Shop. And then after I had my training session, I went to the gym with my friend, so I pull in another kettlebell from Rose and Tea Shop, and the customized gym script is one that my mom made. Okay, so jumping over to Thursday, I wanted to mark that I got my Go Getter Girl functional planner in the mail for the second half of the year on this day. So I pull in another paint swatch from Miss and Meow, and the little package icon is for, I told you guys, I use a lot of Rose and Tea stickers. I also wanted to mark that I deep cleaned my house on this day because me and my husband are going out of town and we're having someone come and house sit for us. So I pull in a piece of Vine Deco from Honey Inked. That bowstring box is from The Giving Girl. I pull in some more florals from my leftover sticker book. Some deco from Honey Inked, and the cleaning bucket is from Rose and Tea Shop. I just loved how the icons match this kit. I don't get to use them very often unless I have a kit that's heavy on the pink side, so I was really excited. Plus, I just hauled a whole bunch of new icons. Okay, then I wanted to mark that me and my husband had Potato Shack for dinner. It's this awesome place where you can have like gourmet baked potatoes. You can get loaded baked potatoes. I had one that was chicken fajita, which was so freaking good. So I do the same thing where I pull in one of the busier boxes from the kit, layer it with the simple lined midi box from Sadie Stickers. The cutlery icon is from Rose and Tea Shop. I pull in another flourish from the Pretty Pink Co. I mark going to the gym with one of those foiled doilies from Crafts by Towie and the kettlebell from Rose and Tea Shop. And then to cap off the night, you can't see it because I'm out of frame, which as I was editing this, I noticed I went out of frame quite a bit, which really bothered me, but say la vie, it is what it is. But as you can see, I pull in another one of those quarter boxes from the kit, another camera from White Deer Stationery, and the film script is from Artbox Stickers. Jumping over to Friday, I am pulling in another one of those ovals from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from my leftover sticker book. The sleep mask is from Rose and Tea Shop, and I'm just writing in that I slept in. It was glorious. I slept in a couple of times this week, which was pretty nice. Generally, my body will not let me sleep past 8 o'clock. So it was pretty nice. I pull in another flourish from the Pretty Pink Co. And then I mark going to the gym with a foiled doily and a kettlebell from Rose and Tea Shop. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that me and my husband did a mini grocery run because we wanted to make sure we had some food for the house sitter who is going to be here to watch our cat in our house. So I pull in another paint swatch. Oh, I'm going to have to make an order for those paint swatches before Miss Meow goes on vacation. But anyways, I pull that in. The deco pieces are from Honey Inked. The little shopping cart is from White Deer Stationery, and the grocery shop script is from Planner Kate. I made taco salad on this night. I know I marked it with tacos from Cross by Towie, but I didn't have like a taco salad bowl. Maybe I should look for one. If you guys have any recommendations, probably Papershire. But anyways, I marked that with a scalloped confetti circle from Meg B Makes. The tacos are from Cross by Towie. I also wanted to mark that I uploaded, what did I upload on this day? Oh, I uploaded my haul on this day. So I pull another MIDI box from, oh, Sadie Stickers. My gosh, I had a brain fart. And the computer is from Rose and Tea Shop, and the upload script is from Rose and Tea Shop, or no, Planning Roses. On Saturday, I wanted to mark that I went to Hobby Lobby to pick up a couple of things because I want to start making flat lays for my Instagram photos. I'm trying to up my Instagram game. So I went to Hobby Lobby to create stuff like for that. So I pull in another half box from the kit, trim it down to make it match the simple lined midi box from Sadie Stickers. The pen cup is from Cross by Towie, the flourish from the Pretty Pink Co. Then I wanted to mark that I organized some stickers on this night. So I pull in this watercolor little box from Miss and Meow. The stickers are from Cross by Towie. I wanted to mark that I had a nice long chat with my sister-in-law / best friend. So I pull in another confetti circle from Meg B Makes. The phone is, at this point, you guys, it's from Rose and Tea Shop. I told you I used so many Rose and Tea Shop icons in this spread. I just loved the way that it like complemented the kit, all the pinks and whatnot. I felt that it matched pretty well. Okay, then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I had a salad. So I pull in another one of those labels from the kit, layer it with another gold foiled box from the Happy Planner. And I was so excited. I got to pull in my White Deer Stationery salad bowl. I love those icons so much. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I filmed this plan with me. So I pull in a camera from Cross by Towie and another film script from Artbox Stickers. Jumping over to Sunday, I wanted to mark that we streamed church on this day. So I pull in another oval from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals, and then the little church icon that I pull in is from Cross by Towie. I try to alternate what like church icons I use. I go between Cross by Towie and White Deer Stationery. Those are the two that I know of, and I really like the way that they look in my spreads. Okay, jumping down, I wanted to mark that me and my husband packed for our trip. So I pull in another bowstrung box from the Giving Girl. This flourish is from Honey Inked, and the little luggage down there is an icon from GL Designs Group. I want to mark that I did tidy up my house one last little time just to make sure everything is in order before we leave. So I pull in another one of those labels from the kit, layer it with another foiled box from the Happy Planner, and the cleaning bucket is from Rose and Tea Shop. I wanted to mark that I edited this plan with me. So I pull in another midi box from Sadie Stickers, some more deco from Honey Inked, and the laptop is from Rose and Tea Shop. And the edit script is from Planning Roses. And then to cap off the night, I'm going to do some pre-planning for our trip and maybe some journaling. So to mark that, I pull in another confetti circle from Meg B Makes, and the little planner sticker is from Cross by Towie. I had to look and see because obviously I'm out of frame and can't tell what is happening. So I had to look at my physical planner that is right in front of me. But anyways, that is it for this spread. Here are the leftovers that I had for this week, along with a Viv Wiggle. I had a lot of fun using this kit. I've been hoarding it for a really long time, and I felt like this was just a perfect time to use it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying well, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!